Hello and welcome. Welcome to the wonderful world of the Commodore 64. And this is a game called Centipede. And I'm going to try and give it a go. I have a joystick here. I hope it's in the right port. We'll find out. I'm going to press F1. F3 for 2 players. F1 for 1. F1 to play. Okay. Can I move? No. I'm in the wrong port. That is the one thing about a 64 that can be difficult. Oh yeah, I can move up. I forgot about that. I keep on forgetting about that. Oh no. No, 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 I'm dead. Well, didn't really get a fair shot at that. Oh no, okay. Ah! Darn. What is that thing? My golly, why do these things just, they keep on coming? There's more and more and I can't get down. I'm dead. Well, I didn't really get a good start at that. I just didn't. So, we'll try that again. Oh. Oh, that went real good. Yes, sirree. Oh. Yeah, I am just ripping it up. Oh. Whoa, first game I got 27, 28, or 26. That game I got 924. Oh, yeah. I am just getting better and better. That's really good. I'm getting nothing. I want to kill that thing. But it didn't happen. I'm dead again. I'm dead again. Oh, man. I want to kill that thing. I'm not going to kill it. I'm going to get the spider, maybe. Oh. It's not getting any better. Alright, we're going to press F1. We're going to try again. I wonder if 2 players means the 2 players play together, or what? Oh, why can't I get those things? Oh, man. I'm just not. This is not going well. Oh, game over. Wow, I can knock off a fresh game. I got 0. I can knock off a game in no time. Am I done again? This really... You know, I used to be good at this game. It's just been some while. I'm not worried about the spider. I'm trying to get these guys before they get me. Before they come down and kill me. I'd like to clear one screen. Just one. Maybe. Oh, I cleared the screen. Isn't that beautiful? Oh no. No. Go down on my level. No. Ah! 4,183. Well, I did clear a level. I guess they come down a lot when you kill. Oh, great! I'm dead again. Why can't I get that? I was shooting him. Oh no! I'm gonna die. Die. Come on. Oh no. Okay. Oh, now we're cooking. Come on, y'all. Oh no. Get up. Get out the way. Get out the way. Go back down. Fire. Oh no, they're coming down. There's more of them. That's not fair. Ah. Yes. Well, that's exciting. I'm not really good at this game. So you know what? I think that's it for now. Thanks for coming. Have a lovely day. Bye for now.